So hello YouTube, welcome to this video tutorial. So this will be the continuation of the FAFSA tutorial. Okay, so you have gotten to this point, I suggest you proceed from here. Otherwise, please go to the first part of the tutorial so you can actually get to that point where you get the confirmation from student aid. So once you receive this confirmation, you just want to log into your studentaid.gov account using your login information. So once you're logged in, you choose to fill the 2024-2025 FAFSA form, okay? So this is the form. You choose student on this page and click continue. So on this page, you choose your legal state of residence and then select the date that shows that you have been in the state for up to 5 or 10 years, okay? So on the next page, you agree to the terms and conditions and continue. Alright, on this page, you select single and continue. So on this page for question 1, you choose first year, and for the second one, you choose no. On this page, you choose none of this apply. Now on this page, you choose yes and continue. So you will save this and then you click continue. So you click continue again. So on this page, for the first question, you choose no, and for the second question, you choose white. So now you choose US citizen and continue. On this page, you choose neither. So on this page, you choose high school diploma. So you enter the high school information. So you search for your high school and click continue. So once you've located your high school, you click continue. So you confirm and continue. So they want to know about your finances, so just click continue. So choose none of this apply and click continue. So just choose no and continue. So just enter one and continue. So on this page, first question, choose no and put 0 in both boxes. Alright, put 0 in all the boxes, click continue. So you're going to select your college and click continue. So you search for your college, select your college and click continue. On this page, you continue to sign your form. Okay, click sign and submit. So once submitted, you receive this confirmation. Okay, so you know you have completed your FAFSA form. Okay, so you're going to have to check your email and wait for a couple days. So after a couple days, you log back into your student aid, the Gov account, and you see your eligibility overview. Okay, so in this case, you can see I'm eligible for a loan of $9,500. Okay, so that basically concludes the tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification so you don't miss my next video. Okay, now if you're interested in how you get this loan or your grant into your personal drop, as a direct deposit, kindly send a DM on WhatsApp. Okay, just go into the video description and you can join the WhatsApp group link and the WhatsApp channel link, and you can send me a DM for more information. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.